Good morning, class. Today we will be discussing how to navigate the homepage to figure out how to set up an appointment through the counseling center, as well as navigating some of the resources that are available to you on campus. So this is our homepage. You can simply go to fullcall.edu. Okay, and I'll go ahead and make sure there's a link posted on the announcement. So what you're going to want to do is scroll down, click on here where it says programs. So go and click on that. And then when you scroll down, it has a bunch of different options here, but I'm going to want you to click on academic counseling. Okay, click on there. And as the page loads up, you are going to click on appointments right there. Okay. During the appointments, the best way that you can book an appointment will be to call the counseling center, or you can simply come to the 2000 building on the second floor, and you would be able to book an appointment. And you can just tell them you are a student athlete and you would like to book an appointment with me, Ula Montalval. Okay, here are some friendly reminders for your appointment. Please read through it so you can have a wonderful, successful appointment with me. Okay, let's go ahead and go back to our home page. I want to go ahead and show you some of the resources that are available to you. So if you go back down to programs, and I want you to go down to Academic Support Center. Okay, a lot of you will be taking not only my class, but you'll be taking English, maybe math. And this is a great resource page for you to access to understand all of the programs that are for you and available to you. For instance, like the Skills Center, the Tutoring Center, and the Writing Center. The one that special programs that we have specifically for student athletes is the Insight program. So if you go into the Insight program, here are some wonderful things that you can click on. If you register with us, it tells you all about the Insight program. Okay, so if you go ahead and scroll on back, all these, if you go to each of these number tabs here, you can go ahead and click on the different programs that are offered on campus. Later on during the semester, I will require you to visit at least 1 to 2 of these support services on campus, and I would like for you to report back. Just tell me how your appointment or your tutoring center session went. Okay, so that's just a quick overview of how to navigate the homepage, where to book an appointment with the counseling, as well as understanding the resources available to you through our academic support center. Okay, I look forward to continuing to work with you. All right, talk to you soon. Have a good day.